right where you want to be. 72 degrees, comfort company.
Hi, I'm Dave Giles, Electrical Department Manager for 72 Degrees Comfort Company. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about GFCI outlets. These are typically found in your kitchens, bathrooms, and outside the home. These are personal protective devices that are designed to monitor the flow of electricity and interrupt that power in case of an emergency situation. Most people have never looked closely enough or have any idea that these are recommended to be tested monthly. A great way to test these is with the use of a nightlight. Simply plug it in and hit the test button located on the face of the device. Power should be removed. To restore power, simply hit the reset button and check to make sure that the light has come back on. If you have any difficulties with this process, feel free to contact us. Or stop by our website and check out any of our blogs or other helpful videos.
"72 degrees, comfort company, right where you want to be.